everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all guys for tuning in. How is everyone doing? So my amazing people, I'm preparing some healthy, delicious. I'm just coming back from work. I said let me just rush and prepare this food because very soon my husband will be coming back and my kids will be coming back also from the school. So I'm preparing lenticchie. In Italiano it's called lenticchie, but in English it's called lentils. I hope you guys have saw it on my channel before because I made this delicious recipe some time ago, so I'm still repeating it for the second time. I believe you guys are going to like it because this food is so healthy. Okay, so let's go to my kitchen and then I will show you what I'm preparing. In case you are new here, you are highly welcome. Should in case you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Remember guys, I do a lot of things in this channel. Yeah, you can hear that. I do a lot of things in this channel, including motivational talks, showing daily life, fashion, whatever. I do it on this channel. So follow me, subscribe, help me to share my video if you find it helpful to you, and also give it a thumbs up. Okay, it's free. Everything here is free. Subscribing is free, thumbs up is free, and sharing is free. So help me guys to share my videos. Let's go to my kitchen and see what is cooking. Guys, I'm preparing lenticchie. In Italiano it's called lenticchie, which means lentils. This is how it looks. Okay, look at it. So first of all, I cook these lentils for about 40 minutes. Then after cooking it, I boiled chicken. Then I pour the lentils inside the chicken stock. You can see it here. I've already put all the ingredients, everything. Then I added some menta leaves. You can see it here. Mint in Italiano is called menta. Okay. Then I added olive oil, 2 spoons of olive oil. So let me show you how the lentils look like. This is it. You can see it here. Lenticchie in Italiano. Okay, it's called lenticchie. It looks like beans, but it's not beans. So this lentils is very affordable at the supermarket. It's also good. You can see it is €1.70. Now I'll be preparing it with pasta. You can see the pasta. This is pasta reale in Italiano. Okay, so I'll be preparing it with this one. I've already put hot water on the gas. You can see the water here. Then later I'm going to add some salt. Then I'll pour this pasta inside. So at the end, I'm going to pour it inside these lentils. Okay, after the pasta is well cooked, I'm going to pour it here. Then we'll be eating it with pane in Italiano, which is bread. Okay, so this food here is very good for kids, even for adults. You can see it. Look at it. So it's so delicious and yummy. I think I have prepared it before on my channel, so I'm still repeating it again. I love it so much. My kids love it, even my husband, everybody in my house love this recipe. Okay, it's very nice. So guys, stay tuned. Let me show you the finale, how this food is being served. Okay,
years later.
so guys, this is the end of the vlog. You can see the result of the lentils and pasta that I cooked. Okay, here is the panel. We are going to eat it like this. So this food is so healthy, delicious, no fat, very, very good. Okay, so my kids are back. I decided to record the video like this. So this is what we'll be having for lunch. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. In case you do, please do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Also share my video and subscribe. Till I come your way again. Bye.